Having a pool is fun, but getting time to do property checks can get hard. You have my permission to call me lazy. Enter the PoolButler. I apologize for the bad graphics, but the aforementioned laziness does go hand in hand with procrastination, so free cat drawings were out of the question. The centerpiece of the PoolButler will be an optic cell in which titrations will be performed using liquid test kits. A dosing pump will be used to flush the cell and take samples. Smaller dosing pumps will provide the titrants. The pumps and electronics will be powered by a LiPo battery that can be charged from a solar panel. For the spectrometry I will be using a low-power red laser diode and a photodiode. As the titrant is being added, values will be taken after every drop, until a color change is noticed. The PoolButler will be housed on a float that will be easy to remove if the kids want the pool for themselves. I will use a RF transmitter to send the data out after every measurement. An multimeter will run the show, turning the pumps on as needed to flush, rinse, sample and titrate. The base unit will use a RF receiver and an multimeter. It will constantly show the property levels on simple LED displays. A small OLED display may be added later to show the exact values of the properties, as well as the correct amount of chemical to add for your pool size. If I have time, I will create a web server and an accompanying Android app to push the data to so I can review the properties even while I'm abroad. Which is sadly more than the time I have to enjoy the pool. I would also like to add another waste pump to bottle the waste and manually remove it. This will come in very handy when I modify the system to work on my aquarium to keep tabs on those properties as well. The PoolButler will be open hardware and open software with a GPL v3 license. Maybe later I can add larger dosing pumps on the side of the pool to dose with bleach and acid to correct the properties automatically. Happy hacking!